Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy, AlWoo with the shoe. And today, I got something that I think y'all are gonna be hype about. Today, we're gonna be unboxing, to me, could be a sneaker of the year, never know. But today, let's go ahead and unbox this military Jordan 4. I've been waiting on these bad boys to come through. Man, I'm telling y'all, this is a hype release. May 4th is gonna be the release. So everybody get on your sneakers app. Make sure you put the footwork in. Got Dick's Sporting Goods. They're giving away raffles. I was able to hit on the early exclusive access through the sneakers app. Your boy AlWoo with the shoe will teach you how to be very diligent so you can get yours too. Let's start with the box. As we all know, this is the original OG Jordan 4 box with the cement print going across the bottom. Unlike the Bread Reimagines, they had the cement top with the black bottom. Pretty cool, just a cool side note. Got the red Jumpman, white flight on the box for the top cover. Dope shoe. I'm looking forward to see the quality of this. Everybody's been talking, oh, quality, quality, quality. Let's just see what it's gonna be. All right, we got your red inside. I think that's a cool hint. Gives you that. You got your cement paper. And you know what is about to come out next. Boom! Bam! Look at that. Woo! Smooth like butter. Look at that. We got the bread. Well, this is almost similar to like the bread back tab. Gives you a nice bounce. It's not as hard as the classic Jordan 4s, in which I actually got some on my feet. I take off for demonstration. Look at that. Barely. And then we got your Nike Air on the back. It's opposed to your Jumpmans that will come on the Jordan 4s released. After moving towards 2009, they always did a Jordan Jumpman on the back of the tabs. But this is cool because it's closer to the 1989 original OG cut. Got your kind of orange, fiery red hang tag right there. Got some white laces. This is not white, guys. This is really like an off-white sail, if you can look, cream. Then you got the pure white at the bottom below the midsole with your military industrial blue hints going all through the nets, the eyelets, and your back footing. I think that the leather feels pretty good. It feels smooth. It's not tumble leather like the Bread Reimagines, but this is an OG colorway, one of the 4 original colorways. To me, guys, I think this might be the sneaker of the year. That's just me. I'm a Jordan 4 guy. As you can see, I got on the Toronto Raptors. They definitely are one of my favorite grubs when it comes to the Jordan silhouettes. There go the other shoe there. Guys, what do you think? Are you going for it May 4th? Did you already get an early access on the exclusive sneakers app? Or are you going to try to go and pay resale? And I think, guys, if you sit and let them wait, you're going to be paying around $300, $289. I think it's going to be $275 to $289 on the release date. May 4th, tap in with your boy AlWoo with the shoe. I'm going to do some more comparison videos between this, the Bread Reimagines, and the Pine Green SB4s. That's right. Your boy will always keep you in tune. Stay locked in, stay fresh, and stay clean.